Alright, what do we have here?
Today, we have the Biolite Fire Pit, portable wood burning fire pit. See fire, not smoke. So it's supposed to be a smokeless or almost like no smoke fire pit, but it also has a grill across the top of it, so it doubles as a portable fire pit and grill. You can put charcoal in it if you want, or you can put wood to burn in it. You can use renewable biomass, so it's not a gas. You don't use gas with this. It's just basically like stuff you could find when you're out camping, so wood and or charcoal. It has a rechargeable battery that and then it blows air into the fire to stoke it up, so that way it burns hotter, you burn more efficiently, and you don't get all the smoke. Today we're gonna unbox it.
Open the box! Yeah, I'm working on it with my nifty... Wow, okay, impatient. I thought I was the one who was excited about this thing. Alright, here we go. Ooh, look at that. Bubbles.
Oh, I want to be careful. You gotta be careful. Somehow when you open this very first grill is attached somehow to the top of this unit. So don't try to rip it out because you might break them. I just kind of twisted this out, but there's these little feet that probably allow you to attach it to the top of this where everything burns. And so those could have gotten bent if you just yank it right off.
Okay.
So there's a nifty. This looks like it's
oh, that's the case.
There's a cover included, which is awesome. Nifty box, which is probably the battery. I'm going to imagine that's what it is. Yes, it is. It's the battery pack. There's a little box for the wind to go into, and then there's like these little latches you kind of like sync up here, and it clips in place. You just kind of push hard. Yeah, it's very snug. That's what it is. This has a kind of a rubber seal, and it goes over this metal housing here. You just kind of push a little firmly to make the connection. There's some air tubes in here that inject air into the fire. That's basically what this orange thing does. What's cool is it has a micro USB charging port here.
That's cool.
And it has a regular USB port, so you can plug your phone into it to charge your phone if you want.
While you're camping, you can be charging.
And the power button tells you how much battery charge you have.
Oh, nice. And
you can basically, as you push it, you have 4 different fan speeds. It's actually pushing air into these tubes to stoke the fire. That's how it makes the fire go smokeless. Because if you put more oxygen into the fire, you stoke the fire and it gets hotter, and then it burns things better. And then if you hold the button, it turns it off. So you can push the power button once, and it tells you how much charge you have. So this battery looks like it came about halfway charged. I mean, this grill is like, you can feed.
Grill some hot dogs?
Yeah, you're gonna grill some hot dogs, some veggies, but you're probably gonna grill for maybe 4 people. Without having the instructions, I imagine you kind of put the grill on here, kind of like this. It slides around, which is kind of cool because then you can sort of take stuff off. I don't know if they designed it to be like this, but I kind of like the idea. And there's a stopper here. So I think they probably did design it to be like this, where you. Oh yeah, probably because you got to be able to open this up to put more fuel in there. Right. So I would imagine it's designed to, and then this is kind of like a lid, or it can be used as a lid. And actually, I think I've got this on the wrong way. It kind of seems like it should go this way. So let's try that. It seems like it fits. It actually fits and latches. Or, I mean, it feels like it sticks one way or the other. And then if you just pull a little harder, it opens up. And then this stops.
Oh, and it stops.
Cool. And it feels like that's more the way it's supposed to be. It has unfolding legs, so you can they snap too. So they have little springs inside of them, and that latch. They latch pretty solidly too. This is kind of the whole unit. I mean, with the grill attached. There's a few other components inside. There's a tray that you put what you're gonna burn on, or what you're gonna burn in. So like your wood or your charcoal. And then there's some other tubes and stuff that I need to go figure out what, I gotta read the instructions. So the other part that's in the battery box is a very cool Biolite decal, and then you have your USB to micro USB cable. These are the nifty handles. Goes right here. Just like that. There underneath the packaging, there's lock washers as well as regular washers that come with it. This holder has these side flaps, and the side flaps go on, they actually go, there's these hangers that they go on the sides here. So if you're gonna put charcoal in and you're gonna like grill with charcoal, you can bring the grate up. Be careful, this is hot. If you're gonna be, you know, you can put it down and put logs on it if you want the full fire pit experience kind of thing.
Whoa, it's a fire pit. I don't see any smoke.
Whoa.
It really is a smokeless fire pit.
Wow. Thank you for watching our review of the Biolite Smokeless Fire Pit and Grill.
We're excited to use it for when we're traveling, because I always hate it when, you know, you get all cozy and you're around the fire and then you get all the smoke in your face because the wind shifts, and then you keep trying to like switch where you're sitting, and this is going to be awesome to not have to worry about that. So I'm very excited. I think we both are very excited to have that experience. So we're gonna use it and do a review on how it works and what we think about it. So click on the link below if you want to check this out and if you want to buy it for yourself. And also leave in the comments if you have used one of these and let us know what you think about it and what your experience is with it. Alright, thank you. Bye!
Bye!
Bye.
Wow, that's pretty impressive. All there was ember. And I threw another piece of log on there, and then because it had the air soaking it, it just started starting up again.